This is our school. This is our voice together. This is our prayer. This is our school forever. Help us to remember that we are all unique. No matter what we look like or where we come from. We have a special part to play in our school. This is our school. This is our voice together. This is our prayer. This is our school forever. Help us to work together, to learn and grow together. So our concern, consideration to everyone we meet. We have a special part to play in our school. This is our school. This is our voice together. This is our prayer. This is our school forever.
Good morning, everybody. My dear students, parents, and dear colleague. Today is a special day for us. Our English club is conducting an English fest for us. World English, hello world. The part of this program, we are conducting this program today. We know the importance of English as a global language, as a worldwide language. English is very important on this age. So we are conducting so many programs in our school. On this part, now today we have conducted with our guest Ali Manik Khan, the scholar and Padma Shri winner of this year, presided by our PTA President Mustafa Sar, MP, and our facilitating by our SRG convener Shamla Jan, teacher, and our staff secretary Amuti Sar, English club convener Deepthi teacher, and LP convener Rashad teacher, and this program convener Nasif Sar. I cordially invite all of you for this function. We know the importance of this function. My dear children, don't miss this program because it is enrich your language, especially communicative capacity. So you actively participate for this program. All of you them welcome for this program. I invite all our parents, students and colleagues for this program. Thank all of you. God bless us.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, അധ്യാപകരെ, സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ കുട്ടികളെ, ബഹുമാനം നിറഞ്ഞ എച്ച്.എം, എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്നേഹാഭിവാദ്യങ്ങൾ. നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൽ നടക്കുന്ന ഹലോ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, ഹലോ വേൾഡ് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഫെസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ഉദ്ഘാടന ചടങ്ങാണ് നാം ശ്രവിക്കുന്നത്. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഭാഷയിലും പ്രയോഗത്തിലും നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികൾക്ക് ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ള പ്രോഗ്രാമുകൾ ഏറെ ഗുണം ചെയ്യുക തന്നെ ചെയ്യും. നമ്മുടെ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിന് ഈ വിനീതൻ എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേർന്ന് ഉദ്ഘാടനത്തിനായി പത്മശ്രീ ജേതാവ് അലി മാണിക് ഖാൻ അവരുകളെ ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു.
May peace and blessings of the Almighty be on all of us. I am very happy to know about the English Fest of this AUP school of Kurwa. I had visited the school some time ago and I had occasion to interact with the students of this institution. They were very active and they asked me so many questions. I am very happy about their inquisitiveness and educative capacities. I am very happy to inaugurate this fest on this occasion. I declare that it is inaugurated now. Thank you all for listening. Salaam.
Hi dears, today we all have joined together for English First 2021. Even on this COVID ill affected time, the English wing of our school have took the initiative to conduct an English Fest. I solemnly appreciate and congratulate all those who have participate, and I am extending my gratitude towards the English wing of our school for conducting such a program. Thank you all.
Hello everyone. I am overwhelmed to know that Team AUPS Kurva has begun a new venture, English First. The disparity in scope for those with English and without English is not inconspicuous, as you all know. In this pandemic period, when we are getting used to the new normal, programs like this need huge applause. I believe students will get a vibe of the traditional classroom scenario where they had plethora of platforms to outshine their talents. I strongly recommend each one of you to participate and enroll yourself in this event. Your active participation here will be really beneficial for you, not just not but in your future too. My sincere love and wishes to everyone behind English First. Kudos friends. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear children. I'm your Deepti teacher. Today is our English Online Fest. All of us know English is the international language. Whenever we are able to communicate in English, that means we are able to communicate with the world. So try to improve your language through participating in this kind of programs. I wish you all the success and all the best for the students who are participating in this program. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, respected headmaster, class teacher and my dear students. Today is a special day for us, the inauguration of Hello English Hello World Online Fest. It was a program of Government of Kerala. The program was launched with the aim of improving the English language skills of our students. English is a global language. To enter and engage with the world, we and our children must be confident with the language. That is why English is more important than other languages. So that our government give more importance to the enrichment of English language through different variety programs. Hello English, Hello World such a program. Surely this program will help our students to improve their language skills and confidence. I wish all the very best who participate in this program. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning to all. A warm and graceful morning to our most valued Honorable Chief Guest, our HM, my colleagues, above all my dear students and everyone gathered here. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks speech in this online English Fest. First of all, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to our Chief Guest, Mr. Ali Manik Fan, who was the winner of 2021 Padma Shri Award. I am immensely thankful to our respected HM for his great efforts to become a great success of this program, and also to our PTA President for his great support. I also extend thanks to our Staff Secretary, SRG Convener, our English Club Convener, and also to our LP SRG Convener and to the LP Coordinator of this program. And above all, to our all staff members for their enormous cooperation of this program. Okay, with your permission, now I conclude this inaugural session. Thank you.